It's a pleasant morning here in the island of Mindanao. Hey guys, good morning. It's me again. Now today I'm going to have an update about the cage. So the update about the cage that they made yesterday is, I'm about to show it to you, the breeding pen. Yes guys, they have a lot of spaces, and that lady over there will be comfortably sitting on that laying box. Also, I have a laying area over there for this lady, but hopefully I will get another one of this so that she will not be like super stressed, because it's one to one, so the guy is so I don't know, the sexual urge is so high. Look at that. But anyway, I'm so happy that the cage is done. Actually, this is only temporary. We're going to make a cage somewhere over there with the sunlight. But this one in this area, there's no sunlight except on this. There will be a sunlight over here, but that will be taken only like couple of like 1 hour, and then it's gone. So hopefully they will be happy. And right now I'm going to clean their poops, because my mom has put some a berry. This is like for small chicken, but the poops is not going through. Hopefully they will not be bothered by what I'm doing. Oh my god, oh my god, did she just... Okay, so this is like very bothersome, because the screen is for small chicken or chicks or pullets, but this guy, they have big feet, so they could have like bigger than this, like half of this. They can walk, and then when they make a poop, it goes through. But in here, no, it's not. Though this guy, this Jersey Giant, is having a small poop. I don't know why. Hey guys, I hope he will not, he will recognize me. Hi, excuse me. Look at the poop. It was stuck somewhere. She doesn't like it. Okay, finally it's clean. I really want it to be clean, because in case this lady, oh, this lady will lay an egg, it will not be on the poop, so it will not be a wasted egg. Alright, go ahead guys, propagate. Enjoy your new cage. And also, I'm going, oh, they're trying, because there's a food in there, so they're trying to so everything is set up. Another update, 4 eggs is here. So I know whose hen is that. They're just neighbor, but she's a best friend of the white bantam. Hey, that's the white bantam sharing with Basilan. Guys, as the last portion of my video, I'm going to share it to you who is the murderer. Now I'm showing it to you who is the murderer, because look what have he done. Look at my fingers. Look at that. I already tried to like do some tricks. He's still not. He's very, very overprotective. Oh, the water still not changed. I need to change your water. But you're about to fight with me. Look at that, guys. What he has done to me. My God. Hopefully, he will lay more eggs. Okay, I will be back with your food, with your water. This is the one I hate him. That's why I bought him this kind of feeder, so that it will not. Oh, look at that feet. So that he will not drop all the food in there. I hate it. And he was a. Ah! My goodness, he was a. Oops. My God. He was so precise in biting me. I should have like a fully automated door closing, because if I hold like this, he can bite me like from here. Ah, 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 ah. No, no. I don't want to hurt him, because I love his like the crown of a king, right? No, no. Anyway, and also my blue Orpington. Good morning, gorgeous. I'm checking you out. If you are doing fine, he's so clean on his coop. Managed to drop all his. Oh my God! Somebody just dropped an egg, and everybody was screaming. Oh my God! Where? Tell me! Tell me! Oh my God! Everybody's screaming. Where is the egg? Where is the egg? Tell me! So guys, if you like my video, make a comment, like, and subscribe, and can share. Because Samson will be happy if you did. Right, Sam? Samson? Samson? This is my Samson. And soon, he will be guarding the chicken. Right, Sam? Like and subscribe, guys.